Greetings to all on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day. Let us start the celebration with unfurling our national flag.
राष्ट्रपति अंग्रेजी सलामी जगह राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट मध्य दट
Now, let us watch the most awaited and spectacular part of the Republic Day celebration, the parade at Rajpath, New Delhi.
वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला दिल के साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है बस तेरी ही खातिर जाए सरफरोश है जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है शान से सभी को बताएंगे जीत लेंगे ये सारा जहां झुके मेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया झुके मेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. Greetings to all on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day. This is a very special day which we celebrate with great enthusiasm because on 26 January 1950 the Constitution of India came into force. According to the Constitution, India was declared as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, which means there will be social, economic, and political justice, liberty of thoughts and expression, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual is ensured. In short, all the citizens of India will be treated equally, irrespective of their class, caste, and gender. Thus, we celebrate this day. The Constitution of India was drafted by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So, we pay tribute to him for his great work. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath. It is organized by the Ministry of Defense. The Indian flag is unfurled by the President of India at the Red Fort, New Delhi. It is followed by our Republic Day parade. The parade showcases India's defense capability, cultural and social heritage. It is the most significant and meaningful ceremony denoting the Republic Day festivities. This parade is followed by the colorful procession by different states. Saint tradition of Maharashtra, that is Maharashtrachi Santa Parampara, will be exhibited in this year's Republic Day parade on Rajpath in New Delhi. It includes a statue of Saint Naneshwar with his epic Naneshwari in front of him. Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant is set to become the first women fighter pilot to be a part of the Republic Day parade this year. It would be really a proud moment for us to watch her. The Rafale jets are participating for the first time in the Republic Day parade this year. The beating retreat ceremony is held after officially denoting the end of Republic Day festivities. It is conducted on the evening of 29th January, the third day. It is performed by the bands of the Three Wings Military, the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. We can watch the parade live on National Network of Television. Children, please do watch this spectacular event. Every year, a chief guest, generally the head of a country, is invited to join the Republic Day celebration in New Delhi. But this year, considering the pandemic situation, no chief guest is invited. While it is a very joyous day, we must not forget the struggle of our freedom that our forefathers took part in. Moreover, it is a day to celebrate the spirit of freedom. Thank you and wish you all a very happy Republic Day once again.